Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. There is two ways of uninstalling the applications from this watch. The first way is to do it directly from the watch, and the second way is to use the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with your watch. First I'm gonna show you how to do it directly from the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the application. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And in this menu you should see the list of applications or the icons for the applications. And to uninstall the application, simply find the icon of the application you want to uninstall. For example, this one, then press and hold on it. This menu will pop out. You can tap on the uninstall button, then tap on OK, and the app will be removed from your watch. That's it. That's how you uninstall the applications. Some of them you can't uninstall. For example, when we try to uninstall, Maps, it won't allow us. So be aware that some of the applications can't be uninstalled. Okay, so that's how you uninstall the applications directly on the watch. To uninstall them via the phone app, we need to move our watch to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out so we can see the whole screen, like this. Okay, now we're gonna open the Galaxy wearable application on our phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the device page for your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And on this page, scroll down, tap on the watch face or watch settings rather. Here, scroll down, find the apps and tap on it. And right here you have the list of apps installed on your watch. Find the app you want to uninstall. For example, I don't know, maybe Easy Voice Recorder. Tap on it and you should see the uninstall button right here if you are able to uninstall the app. You can tap on it, tap on uninstall, and the app will be removed from your watch. So if you wake up the screen, open the menu, the app will be gone. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the phone app. And that's how you uninstall the applications from this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.